Looking at the third member here. See this guy. It's like some mud daubers have filled up the holes, screw holes there. That'll be fun. Cleaning that out. It's like there's some newer exhaust stuff going on. It is hanging low, low, low. It's like it's missing hangers or something. Pull that up a bunch. It probably is okay. There's a couple of these little air canister things right here. I think. I don't know what it is. That one doesn't even look like it's hooked up. I don't know what these are. I don't think it's brake related. I don't think it's got air brakes. Huh. I don't know. It's definitely got some heavy duty leaf springs in the back. Look at that. Those are badass. Just was what I expected. Yeah, frame looks good. I don't know what this fucking box is here. Batteries or something. It's got a square shaped keyhole. Probably just some little flathead I could fit in there and open it up. I don't know. It's just a box. This is gonna be a good place for batteries. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing down here. Looks like someone just switched to an auto. Probably better anyway. Wonder if it works. Alright, this is underneath from the front. You can see the solid front axle there. Pretty beefy. Leaf springs. Probably not the smoothest ride, but nice and solid. I don't see any leaks coming out of the bottom here. Okay, it looks nice and dry. Exhaust is hooked up but hanging super low. It needs a hanger of some sort. This one ran, at least they did run cooler lines for the transmission, but it did a shit job. I'll have to redo those. Yeah. Those are gonna have to get redone. And the radiator looks like it's in decent shape from underneath at least. I don't see any leaks. Even the steering probably needs some love. There she is. I'm still not sure what those tanks back there are for. I'll find that out soon. Alright, we're underneath the rear here. You can see the little hitch setup they've got here. Going all the way back. This thing is welded on here. Yeah, I don't know if I like that thing or not. Not sure. Looking like they were Dana 70. I think. I'll make sure. Some kind of extra strength gusseting here. I don't know what this is. Yeah, that frame looks heavy duty. Heavy duty. And it's got these connecting rails. Oh yeah. That's a sturdy looking floor, man. No wonder. You know, they made school buses pretty tough. Even back in '71 when it was just a 1-ton, supposedly. So I see some wires tacked up back there. So this thing's gonna get totally rewired. There's no way I want to use 50-year-old wiring. That's just crazy. And these brakes, I think they're just regular old hydraulic brakes. Drums on the back. Big motherfucking drums. Whew. Yeah. Anyway, can't see too much more. But yeah, there's lots of space back here. Man, where's the gas tank? Gas tank must be up there on the passenger side. Near the filler neck. Yeah. Probably gonna want to drop that. Today's episode is being interrupted by a dump run. Truck is full of stuff. I gotta go take it to the dump. I need room, move a bunch of shit around. Anyway, got some cleaning up done here today. I'll be coming back, doing some more later. But as for right now, we're gonna go check out the fucking local dump at the Buncombe County on Panther Branch Road. Where's the camera? Is it right here? Okay, am I looking at you in the eyes? Am I reconnected? Okay, good. All right. Here we are at the landfill, the sanitary landfill. I love put those words together. That means everything's cool. They keep it clean. This is how you clean the world. The world must be a clean place. Alright. All uncovered loads will be fine. See, that's why I've got a fucking tarp over my shit. Even though I wouldn't fly out anyway. I wonder if they ever actually find people. Sometimes I'll pull off to the side here. Anyway, I gotta go across the scales and pay them and all that. I'm not gonna film that part. No log jam here. Anyway, I'll film going up the mountain here. It's kind of a fun little dump to go to. It's been raining a little bit lately. I hope I don't get stuck. I got a heavy-duty ratchet strap. I can probably get pulled out with if I have to. Maybe by one of these big dump truck guys. Anyway, that's probably not going to happen. I came today because it's not raining today. And it looks like I'm not going to get rained on. The sky looks nice and blue. For the most part, looks like the rain has passed for now. I'm going to put these speed bumps in here. I don't always have signs for them. Well, as much as I hate these speed bumps, those fucking big trucks must be 10 times worse. My shocks are pretty much worn out, so I go wobbling back and forth. So all areas that way. I wonder what's the other way. If all the areas are this way, what could that possibly be? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Tires must be laced and stacked. I have to admit, I've never done that. I don't even know how to do that. Shouldn't they have people here that seems like a job? Lacing and stacking tires, making sure the whole thing is packed tight. I don't know. Anytime I've ever dumped tires off, I just tossed them in there. I mean, I tried to roll them in as far as they'd go, but oh, maybe laced and stacked just means how you organize them. Like you're not actually wrapping them or tying them with anything. See, you learn something new every day. I think, maybe. Purely conjecture. Like, you know what I mean? Like laced, like they're back and forth, so they like tie together. Whatever. I'll cut all that out. That wasn't very interesting. None of this is. Alright, so there's a bunch more of this, and then the dump. So, are you excited yet? Here we are at the dump. All this cool stuff going on, garbage-wise. Gross, huh? Look at all that. What the fuck is it? Alright. Let's get this shit cleaned out. Whew. Alright. Unloading it. Look at that. Almost done. I think I'm going to keep that vase. I mean, the lamp. It's interesting in a really ugly way. Everything else is gone. These big machines. Alright. Believe it or not, the rest of it's not garbage. If I had a broom, I'd sweep out all those leaves, but I'm not touching those right now. Yeah. Party time over here at the dump. So I am going to keep this thing. Everything else, yep. Now we're getting out of here. Done with the load. Cleared up my truck bed. Whew. Didn't get stuck. They actually had it nice and cleared out here. Sometimes it's, you know, a mile of ruts like this. You never know if you're gonna get stuck. Anyway, I guess that's the metal pile over there. I like the dump runs. They're fun in that it's a nice little country drive. People out here are nice. You know, it always feels good to get rid of your old shit, you know? Cleaning stuff up, moving forward. It's very cathartic. A lot of catharsis going on at the dump, you know? Excuse me. Alright, well, I'm getting back to speed bumps here. I'm not an idiot. You get the idea. There you go. So that was a dump run. We just did it. Yay. Truck is empty now. Yeah, some fucking fun. I mean, for real, it's beautiful. Look at the tiger lilies. Can you see them? Maybe you couldn't see them. Probably get a better shot of them. They've been all up and down the highway. One of my favorite flowers. That's how you know it's June, baby. The tiger lilies are blooming. Look at this guy's truck. Busted. Look, he broke the frame. Ouch. Alrighty. So that was it. Dump run. So you can see why I enjoy it. It's just a lovely little trip through the country. There's a little patch of tiger lilies. Oh yeah. There's some more up here on the left.